How you going, guys? Mechanic Shiv here. Subaru Ej20. It's the modern engine, so it's got the variable valve timing on the top intake, left and right bank. Okay. Now, the previous model would have this is the star shape here. Previous model will have a star shape there, star shape here. So no VVTi. There's a tool you can buy for that to go on there and lock this up. This one doesn't have it, and also I'll be changing the O-rings, by the way. So what you do before you put the belt on, so I've got my Allen key set up like this. Okay, so you put the belt on just roughly, and then get your Allen key, the cable tie here. So I've adjusted that cable tie so it lines up with that mark there. Okay, and I'll talk about why that mark's off in a minute. All right. So what you want to start doing now, you want to start feeding your belt. Make sure that this pulley is not installed. This pulley here is not installed. Okay, go ahead, go mark your belt. So where the marks are on the belt, mark it to the cam and the crank. So make sure these line up. Now, if it's a bit off here, don't worry too much. Right? Look, it looks off. It looks one teeth out, but if it's physically marked here, mate. Okay, look, see, it's straight now on an angle. See? So it's the same thing here, and looks can be deceiving. Okay, look, straight here, depends what way you look at it. Alright, so that's as spot on as you're going to get it. Okay, once you have your belt roughly on there, okay, and you've got all the belts and whatever's marked to mark, you get yourself a number 14. So this will be a number 12, so you wheel that in, right, by hand. Make sure it's not cross-threading or anything. It'll be a bit tight. You go down to the bottom pulley, wheel that in too, alright, loosely. Okay, make sure there's even tension everywhere now. Okay, and then go ahead and pull the pin. When you pull the pin, if you have, let's say, this mark and the crank and that surface is marked, and let's say it's off here a little bit, you cannot go wrong if you have it marked to mark. Pull the pin, turn the engine over twice. Get it back to top dead center. So turn this pulley 1, 2, twice. When you get it there, now these marks will be gone. What I want you to do is get a flat screwdriver, and literally you can mark it and follow it up here. So when you get the flat screwdriver, you should have this lined up here. You should have this lined up here. Now these two will line up. These two will line up, and get underneath the car so you can line up this one. Okay? You'll be able to line up. You'll be able to see that properly from the bottom. Get underneath the car. All right. Get a screwdriver. Make sure the marks are set. When that's sweet, you can't go wrong with it. Put your guides back on so the belt don't jump off. There's guides here. There's a guide here. Okay, there's a guide up here and a guide at the bottom. Put those on and you should be sweet.